Ever wondered how your favorite McDonald's burgers are made? Let's take a journey inside the heart of the McDonald's burger factory. From fresh ingredients to the final product, it all starts here on the assembly line. First up, the beef. High-quality cuts of beef arrive at the factory, carefully inspected to meet McDonald's standards. These cuts are ground and mixed to create those iconic patties. Each patty is then perfectly shaped and quickly flash frozen to lock in that fresh taste. Next, the buns, soft and golden. These buns are baked fresh daily. As they roll down the line, they're sliced and toasted to perfection, ready and waiting for their savory partner. Now, on to the assembly. The frozen patties are cooked on a high-temperature grill, ensuring they're juicy and full of flavor. Each grilled patty is then carefully placed onto the toasted buns. But what's a burger without its toppings? Crisp lettuce, fresh tomatoes, tangy pickles, and just the right amount of onions are added with precision. And of course, a dollop of that famous McDonald's sauce. Every ingredient meticulously measured for consistency and taste. The final touch? A perfectly placed top bun. These completed burgers are then wrapped, packaged, and sent to McDonald's locations around the world, ensuring every bite you take is as good as the last. So next time you bite into a McDonald's burger, remember the journey it took from the factory to your hands. It's a combination of quality, precision, and a touch of magic. Thanks for watching.